Your environment is like the silent influencer. It definitely can affect your mental state of mind if your house is like dirty or unorganized, messed up. Your mind gonna be cluttered the same way. Look at it now. What you call? Wow. Look at it now. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Winter, and on this channel I talk about recovery, self-improvement, and being a mom. Definitely I'm just starting, obviously. So make sure to stick around. If you find any of the information to be helpful, go ahead and hit subscribe after you watch the video. And give it a thumbs up if you like it, and comment if you did like it, hey, we Gucci. And today's video is basically about your environment. Now, if you don't know, I'm doing a mini series on the 7 dimensions of well-being, and I'll break those down into categories. So you got mentally, physically, emotionally, socially, spiritually, professionally, and then environment. So today we're gearing towards how the environment you in affects your life. And to break that down and be more specific, we're going to talk about your physical environment. So like things that are around you. It could be sometimes the people around you, light versus dark, things like that. I love all the areas of well-being. And I also love environment because I feel like it is like the silent influencer. And I heard a lot of people use that term, and I like it because it is a silent influencer. It definitely can affect your mental state of mind if your house is like dirty or unorganized, messed up. Your mind gonna be cluttered the same way. Just like when you clean up, you feel more at ease, like more at peace. You know, it makes you want to put things back where you got it from instead of just throw it down because it's already a mess. So, what I meant by darkness and light is when you are in like a dark room, it's scientifically proven you have more of a negative vibe to you. Just like when you out in like sunshine, whether it's artificial light or regular sunlight, you feel better, and that helps a lot in a lot of people with depression. And I definitely know this all too well because when I'm depressed, I definitely prefer to be in a dark room. Now mind you, I get depressed. I'm not depressed now, but I definitely can get depressed just like here and there, just random times. And I notice I do gravitate towards the darkness. Like I want to lay in bed, I don't want to talk, don't open my blinds, don't turn on the lights. Like, it's to the point where I can care less. So it definitely impacts your behavior and your motivation to act. Because, like I said, how I gravitate towards darker rooms, there's no way I'm going to act on anything. There's no way I'm about to get up and go try to run or walk, go cook, go eat, nothing, you know? It definitely influences that. So to get you out of that rut and keep you out of that rut, I definitely will opt for artificial light. Even better, sunlight. Keep it bright, you know. Go outside, let the sun warm you up. It's just much better. And it's, to me, it works too because it's just wider. Like, I always be like, when in doubt, look out. And what I mean by that is when I'm in any type of doubt or thinking too hard, I just look up and out, like, because you sitting over here overthinking this world is ginormous. So therefore, that little thought or, you know, that little bit of a bad feeling, it shouldn't even matter. Once you look up and out and see how small you actually are and how small that problem or whatever it is, trust me, it works every time. When I look out at everything, I drop it. There's no need to overthink it. And I'm a big overthinker. So don't overthink it. Use your environment. That I also noticed is, like, have you ever been to like a hotel or someone's house or like a store that's just super clean? If you notice, it makes you want to put stuff back where you got it from because you don't want to mess it up. Like, everything is just so neat, so well put together. You're not just gonna come over there and make a mess. Like, it'll be out of place. It looks wrong, you know. Just like if you have a mess, or you drop everything at the front door, drop your clothes off right at the foot of the bed or whatever. Now that's just piling up. You're gonna keep doing that because it's already a mess, so you're gonna create a mess. If it's clean, you'll keep it clean. Well, you'll keep it clean longer. And another key and factor in your environment is if you're trying to lose weight. Don't buy the stuff that made you gain weight. Cakes, cookies, chocolates, and donuts, and don't buy none of that. Buy freaking apples, bananas, whatever you can afford. If you can afford all that junk, you can afford fruits and vegetables. I'm not a nutritionist by all means. I am working on weight loss, and y'all are gonna see it though, I tell you that. So just buy what's right for you, because the other stuff is just too tempting. And then if you already got fruits in there and stuff, you're more than likely gonna eat what you already got. So set yourself up for success. Buy healthy food. Your environment definitely plays a major role in your life. And I love that. I really do. The silent influencer. Because it's just something you don't pay attention to. You don't think about talking to your family because, you know, they're too loud and you want to sleep during these hours, or you want everybody to kind of sit at the table, get along, talk while we eat and all that, but you won't bring it to them. Like, let them know. And I feel like you have to let people know what you want. That's the only way you're going to get what you want. If don't nobody know, then nobody can help you. So if your room is dirty or your kitchen is dirty, your house, clean it up. If you need help with cleaning it up, ask for help. If you sit in the house most of the time, go outside and just try to get some fresh air, some sunlight. You ain't even got to be out there that long. Like a good 5 to 10 minutes. Just get out and get in the air, like breathe in some fresh air, and just let the sun hit you just for a little bit. And I promise you, it will definitely boost your mood. You can go ahead and rearrange your furniture just so it feel like you're in a new space. You can also store anything you don't use. Just store it up. Like, or give it away. Like, donate it or whatever it is. Because you need to have room. You need to clear up space so you can put the right things in the space, you know? You could be full of all kind of wrong stuff. Like, you like flowers or anything like that, you definitely can like add flowers, plants, just to kind of liven it up. And all this stuff, you can go buy a bunch of stuff from Dollar Tree or Walmart or whatever, the cheapest route. And when you make something and create something, and then you see it every day, whatever it is, you see it every day, that makes you feel good, you know? Because you know for sure you was in the right state of mind when you made it, and you know what you made it for. So every time you look at it, it'll encourage you to do better. Pay attention to your environment, like the people around you, things that you surround yourself with, the type of information that you're taking in on a daily basis, like sitting there scrolling, watching other people be happy for like an hour or 2 hours, or watching people front for an hour or 2 hours. By the end of the week, that's like 14 hours you done spent on scrolling, and that's not good. Do something every day that gets you closer to your goals, and keep your environment clean, keep your mind clean, stay positive, rest when you need to rest, ask people to be quiet because you're trying to rest, Just try. That's pretty much it. We about this thing. Stay safe, stay sweet, stay woke. Therefore, I'm very, very happy that we reached all 7. The videos about motherhood are definitely coming up. I'll just be mainly following my kids, asking them questions, sneaking and recording them so y'all can see how they be tripping. But yeah, that'll be coming soon, of course. And anybody as far as recovery, that's why I got different playlists. So if you're here for recovery from like opiates or substance abuse, then definitely check out the recovery videos. If you're here for any type of self-improvement videos, definitely check out the 7 Dimensions of Well-Being. And then motherhood / parenting in itself will have its own playlist as well. So I'm definitely breaking these down because my audience is everybody. Any and everybody who's trying to improve in their life, any and everybody who's struggling, any and everybody who a parent. It's everybody. Like, I know what it's like to get low and dragged through the dirt. You know what I'm saying? And also know what it is to rise to the top and be bossed up too. And we're just gonna keep improving and keep learning this stuff for the rest of our life. Y'all heard? But anyways, until next time, I love y'all. Definitely subscribe if you think the video was helpful. Like, share, comment. Peace out. Bye.